This Craft-tastic kit is cuteness gone wild. These adorable pom-pom animals are a no-sew craft and such a hoot to make. Cut out the template for the fox. Place it on the orange felt, 1/2 inch from the bottom, and trace around it with a pen. Peel the backing off an adhesive sheet. Place it on the felt, sticky side down. Be very careful to align it with the edges of the felt. Peel off the other side of the backing. Position the large black pom-poms for the eyes. Outline the traced oval stomach with light pink pom-poms. Place one black pom for the nose at the top center of the stomach. Fill in the stomach with light pink poms. Fill in the rest of the fox with orange pom-poms. Use 2 square pieces of adhesive to adhere the white tip to the fox's tail. For the owl, cut out and trace the pattern onto the purple felt about 1/2 inch from the bottom. Position the large black pom-poms for the eyes. Outline each eye with 7 white poms. And outline with light pink poms. Outline the traced heart stomach with pink poms, then fill it in. Place 4 purple poms above the heart. Curve the orange felt beak and place it just above the 4 purple poms. Fill in the area above the beak with purple pom-poms. Fill in the rest of the owl with purple pom-poms. For the penguin, make a flower shape with 7 little black pom-poms at the center top of the head. Outline the flower shape with more black poms. Start at the outside of the penguin and fill in 3 rows of black pom-poms. At the top, fill in the center with 2 rows of white poms. Add large black pom-poms for the eyes. Then add 2 rows of white poms. Wrap the yellow felt beak around 1 pom-pom and place under the eyes. Fill in the rest of the penguin with black and white poms. Use 3 pieces of adhesive to adhere each white wing to the front of the penguin. Adjust and fill any holes with more pom-poms. Place the stuffed animal's palm side down. Lay a thin fabric over the felt. Set an iron to high. Press firmly for 60 seconds to activate the adhesive and secure the pom-poms. Divide the stuffing into 3 equal piles. And use 1 pile to stuff each animal. Tie a single knot and pull the drawstring to close. Tie a triple knot, then trim. Use 1 piece of adhesive to attach each foot to the bottom of the animals. What a fantastic trio of tiny cuteness! Happy crafting!